today we're going to be doing this fall light glam right here. It's super pretty. Oh my god, yes. Yes. Model. I really love how this looks. It looks so subtle. It's so easy to do. Like, literally, I could do this, like, in 30 minutes, like, the face and all. And I just go out the door and just, like, do whatever. I would change the lippy if you're more of, like, that dramatic gal and you don't want to wear, like, a red, bold lip. You could go in with a nude. I would totally pair this with a nude and a dark vampy lip. That would look so good. These kind of looks can go with any kind of lippy colors, like the natural look, because you could go very dramatic on the lippy or just go very natural like the eyes. Either way, it's gonna look good. So I did this makeup for all you natural gals out there that keep scrolling on YouTube and Instagram and they're all dramatic looks for fall. This is for you because I wanted to do something very natural for the people that don't like lashes, like falsies, and don't like the color black on their eyes, or don't like very dark colors on them. This is for you. This is for you. I think about you guys. So if you haven't subscribed, I do have a lot of other natural makeup looks, and more coming. So if you haven't subscribed and you're like a natural girl, you should follow me because, like, I do natural makeup tutorials too, okay? Not a lot of people do, but I do, okay? But yeah, so subscribe if you haven't already, and if you want to learn how to get this natural, easy, like very easy fall makeup look, then just keep on watching. So we're going to do something natural since we have been doing dramatic stuff. Last video was a like halo smoky but not too smoky eye, and then the other video before last video was a black smoky eye. So I want to do something less dramatic, and today I don't really feel like doing makeup because I actually have to pack because I am going on a vacay, a very short vacay. A little family reunion. Like literally like a couple people are going. But anyway, we're just gonna do something very soft, subtle for fall, and yeah, so let's get into it. So the first color that I want to go in with is from this Manny and Makeup Geek palette right here. And I want to go in with this color Peaches and Cream, I believe. Yeah, Peaches and Cream. I said peaches, but you know, we're just gonna, whatever. So I'm going to be taking this Morphe M441 brush. It's just a little blending brush. I'm going to be taking that color and just put that in my crease. And then I want to go in with this Too Faced Peanut Butter and Jelly palette because I haven't hopped into this palette in a hot minute. So I want to go in with it, and I'm going to be grabbing peanut butter, which is right here. And then later we're going to go in with Nuts About You. But I want to go in with peanut butter first with the same brush. And I'm going to put this on the outer part in the crease. Now this makeup look is for all those people that don't really like to wear lashes. Sometimes I don't like wearing lashes. There's been times where I'd be like, I'm not feeling like a lashes kind of girl, like a falsies kind of girl, so I won't be doing those. But most of the time you see me wear them. But I don't wear them like a whole bunch. Now I was thinking of going in with Nuts About You right here, but I feel like it looks orange already, and I don't want to add that and it's like super duper orange. I don't want that. So I'm not going to go in with that. I'm gonna go in with, so instead of going in with that color, I'm gonna be taking, Frappe, which is right here on the same brush, and I'm gonna put that on the outer part of the eye to give the eye a little bit of definition. Now, we're going to be doing one more thing, but you could just, like, leave it like this. It's really, really pretty, like this. I was thinking about it. I was sitting here for a hot minute thinking, like, should I add something else or should I not? Like, should I just leave it, put on mascara, do my full face, and just do my lippy with you guys in the bottom lash line and be done? It'll look cute or whatever, but I think I want to add a shimmer shadow, but you could keep it all matte. You could do maybe a white matte eyeshadow on the lid just to brighten it up a little bit. So yeah, you could even do a wing with this and it would look so good. A long wing, short wing, medium wing, it would look good. So I'm going to go in with the Peanut Butter and Jelly palette. We've been using this palette the whole time, but like, I really want to mess with this palette again, so yeah. But I'm going to grab that gold shade in the middle. I remember this gold being like my favorite gold that I had, and I remember it being very, very pigmented. So I'm going to use it today and see how I feel about it. So yeah. Now I'm going to grab this Lancôme Big Mascara. This is not new, but it's pretty new. So I'm going to be taking this. I got it for my birthday. So I'm going to use it, and yeah. Just like that, super easy, and this mascara makes your lashes so freaking long. It's pretty insane because my lashes are not long in the first place. They're super, super short. I don't know why, but my lashes suck at growing, so that's the thing. They've been small all my life, and this mascara just makes them so long, and I just like, I love this mascara so much. So I really, really recommend it if you have very small, short lashes. It's called Big for a reason. So just saying. Now you can pop on lashes if you want, but I'm not, because I want to have some makeup tutorials for the people that don't like falsies, you know. So I want to keep my channel for everyone that doesn't like lashes, that doesn't like dramatic makeup looks, that like dramatic makeup looks. So yeah, this is what I'm going to be doing, and that's it. But yeah, so I'm gonna do my full face off camera. If you want a updated face routine, then comment down below and let me know. Like this video. And yeah, so I'm gonna do my full face off camera, and I'll be right back with you guys. Alright guys, so I did my full face, and it took me like literally 30 minutes, maybe less than that, because like when you've been doing makeup for so long, when you do your face makeup especially for so long, you get it down like that and you just like do it super speed. You don't have to worry about anything, and it's just super, super, super easy. But yeah, if you want me to do like an updated full face routine, I have done one before, I'm pretty sure. I don't know, maybe I didn't. I don't remember if I even uploaded it or not, but I think I put one up. So if you want me to do like an updated one, I can do that for sure. But yeah, so we're gonna move on to the bottom lash line. That glow though. Whew. We are going to go in with the same colors that we went in with the crease, and we're just going to copy and paste. But I'm going to go in with the Manny and Makeup Geek palette. I'm going to go in with this color right here, which is called Beaches and Cream. I took that in the crease as a transition color. And now I'm going to grab a little small blending brush and just put that on the bottom lash line. And then I'm going to go in with the Too Faced palette, and I'm going to go in with peanut butter with the same brush. And this is a Ulta crease brush, by the way, and I'm just taking it to just smudge the colors down there. I'm going to take this and put it on the outer part of the eye. And then I'm going to be grabbing Frappe, which is right here, and I'm going to keep this on the back part of the eye also. So I'm going to grab the peanut butter and jelly palette again, and I'm going to grab this color, which we took this color on the lid if you don't remember. And I'm going to put it on the inner corner of the eye, connect it to the lid color, which was the same color. I'm going to connect it to that and bring it down to this part right here, just a small little bit. And then my lippy, I'm going to be taking, which you do not have to go, like, you don't have to go this route. You could pick a nude if you want to, even a darker color if you really want to go that far. I would do that, but I really want to pair a red with this look. I really, really do. So I'm going to take this Fenty Beauty little, what is this, matte lipstick, Stunna lip paint in Uncensored. So, yeah, I'm going to take this. Love this color, by the way. Maybe my favorite red, to be honest. It's so good. You don't see me wearing it often because sometimes I don't like red lipstick. Like, some days I'm like, ugh, like, why would you wear red lipstick? And then some days I'm like, oh, like, yes, please. And today is that kind of day. So I'm going to plop this on. Whew, girl. Alright, so I changed into something else more fall-like because, I mean, you can't do a fall makeup tutorial if you don't have a sweater on. I mean, you cannot do it if you don't have a fall-looking sweater. I mean, you can't do it. So I just plopped on this little sweater. I think I got it, it's my mom's, and I think she got it at, like, Target or something, I think. I don't remember. But anyway, you could pair this look with any kind of lippy. You could pair it with a nude, a darker color even. I just want to do a red because I want to. I mean, it's not a really big deal. But yeah, so if you're a natural kind of gal and you like how this looks for fall, then give this video a thumbs up. Also, comment down below what you guys want to see next. Do you guys want to see another dramatic look, or do you guys want to see more of a natural look like this look right here? It kind of looks dramatic because of the lippy. It's just bringing out that kind of dramatic feel with the eyes. But once you put on a natural lippy, it'll look more natural, if you know what I mean. So, yeah. Yeah, so I don't think there's anything else to tell you guys but to subscribe. If you haven't already, subscribe, hit that red button. It looks like this. That's the color right here. It's red, and it says subscribe, and you should press that button and hit the bell button so you can notified every single time I upload a new video, and you could be the first one to like, comment, and all that jazz. And yeah, but yeah, so everything that I used in this video will be down below for you guys in the description box, in order. Also, my social medias will be down below for you guys also to go check me out on other platforms other than YouTube. And yeah, so I don't think I have anything else to say, but I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!